Kia ora mai. The learning team at Te Papa want to give you a taste of our favourite digital tools. He kai ki aku ringa, he koha mo te katoa. Scratch is a free website where you can use simple blocks to write your own computer code. You will learn basic computational thinking skills by using code to create interactive stories, animations, and games. Use Scratch to design, test, debug, and problem solve with your code. Learn about inputs, outputs, events, sequences, and loops with basic storytelling, like this example of Scratch the Cat meeting Matariki the Star. With a huge community and millions of shared projects to remix, you can let your imagination go wild. Follow us on YouTube or Facebook for more tasty morsels. Hei te wā!